Yes guys, welcome back to Certified Remaps, and today as you can see we've got this beautiful Range Rover Sport with the Barugzai kit on it. It's coming as it's got some boosting issues. It's been previously tuned by another tuner, so we believe that whatever map has been put onto the car may be causing the problem. So the customer has brought it down to us to rectify, diagnose, fix the problem, and then we'll put our remap on it, our certified treatment remap. It's going to be a stage 1, so stay tuned, and yeah, we'll show you what's happened with the car, what was causing the problem, and then we'll tell you the new figures once we've put our map on it as well. Stay tuned.
You can actually see the display from the right. In between, you can see the actual movie.
Oh yeah, from here you can.
Yo, you
It's like it's playing in the background.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
right, yeah.
Like the driver can't watch the TV, whereas you guys can. Can you see the reverse camera?
Yeah, you can. Look, you can well see both.
Sick. So basically, you've got two different. Mad, isn't it?
That is my thing.
Boost there, but there's a little bit left.
Sorry,
Just carry on.
You get it.
We saved them enough money.
I don't remember what happened that day, man. I was like,